What's going on, YouTube? It's your girl Ayana Iman, and I am here with my very first YouTube video. I'm super excited to show you guys how I get my effortless loose curls on my closure wig. And if you guys want to see how I got them, keep on watching this video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Products you will need for this look: a hair wax stick for the top of your hair to lay down the flyaways, got to be glue gel, preferably in the black bottle, any kind of oil, a flat iron, a hot comb, a clip and a hair bow, and a wide tooth comb. Here I'm just taking one section and I'm curling away from the face. This tutorial, you're going to be able to see everything that I'm doing, so I'm just going to stop talking and let you guys watch what I'm doing.
Up when I need to vent some. See that other chick you've been chasing. You're cute or whatever, but I could introduce you to someone much better. You know that's me, much better. When a bad bitch make money, decent one to call you up when you're lonely. Or put it on your real good when you want it. Or put it on your real good when you want it. If you want a bad bitch make money, decent one to call you up when you're lonely. Or put it on your real good when you want it. Or put it on your real good when you want it.
Here I am taking a big section of the hair because this is where I will be doing bigger curls, right in the middle.
Turn it up when I need to vent some. See that other chick you've been chasing. You're cute or whatever, but I could introduce you to someone much better. You know that's me, much better. When a bad bitch make money, decent one to call you up when you're lonely. Or put it on your real good when you want it. Or put it on your real good when you want it. If you want a bad bitch make money, decent one to call you up when you're lonely. Or put it on your real good when you want it. Or put it on your real good when you want it. I'm not the jealous type of boy, I can treat you right. Much better, much better, much better than she can. Much better, much better, much better than she can. See, lay back, windows down, got that boom boom in my system. Turn it up when I need to vent some. See that other chick you've been chasing. You're cute or whatever, but I could introduce you to someone much better. You know that's me, much better. Make money, decent one to call you up when you're lonely. Or put it on your real good when you want it.
Also guys, excuse my lamp. I could have sworn it wasn't in the camera, but better quality videos are definitely coming soon.
Turn it up when I need to vent some. See that other chick you've been chasing. You're cute or whatever, but I could introduce you to someone much better. You know that's me, much better. When a bad bitch make money, decent one to call you up when you're lonely. Or put it on your real good when you want it. Or put it on your real good when you want it. If you want a bad bitch make money, decent one to call you up when you're lonely. Or put it on your
Also, when curling, please take your time. Do not rush through your curls because they definitely will look rushed.
much better, much better, much better than she can. it up when I need to vent some. See that other chick you been chasing. She cute or whatever, but I could introduce you to someone much better. You know that's me much better. When that bitch make money, decent one to call you up when you're lonely. Or put it on your real good when you want it. Or put it on your real good when you want it. If you want a bad bitch make money, decent one to call you up when you're lonely. Or put it on your real good when you want it. Or put it on your real good when you want it. I can love you right. I'm not the jealous type of boy. I can treat you right. Much better, much better, much better than she can. Much better, much better, much better than she can. See, lay back, windows down, got that boom boom in my system. Turn it up when I need to vent some. See that other chick you been chasing. She cute or whatever, but I could introduce you to someone much better. You know that's me much better. When that bitch make money, decent one to call you up when you're lonely. Or put it on your real good when you want it. Or put it on your real good when you want it. If you want a bad bitch make money, decent one to call you up when you're lonely. Or put it on your real good when you want it. Or put it on your real good when you want it. I can love you right. I'm not the jealous type of boy. I can treat you right. Much better, much better, much better than she can. Much better, much better, much better than she can. See, lay back, windows down, got that boom boom in my system. Turn it up when I need to vent some. See that other chick you been chasing. She cute or whatever, but I could introduce you to someone much better. You know that's me much better. When that bitch make money, decent one to call you up when you're lonely. Or put it on your real good when you want it. Or put it on your real good when you want it. If you want a bad bitch make money, decent one to call you up when you're lonely. Or put it on your real good when you want it. Or put it on your real good when you want it. I can love you right. I'm not the jealous type of boy. I can treat you right. Much better, much better, much better than she can. Much better, much better, much better than she can. See, lay back, windows down, got that boom boom in my system. Turn it up when I need to vent some. See that other chick you been chasing. She cute or whatever, but I could introduce you to someone much better. You know that's me much better. When that bitch make money, decent one to call you up when you're lonely. Or put it on your real good when you want it. Or put it on your real good when you want it. If you want a bad bitch make money, decent one to call you up when you're lonely. Or put it on your real good when you want it. Or put it on your real good when you want it. I can love you right. I'm not the jealous type of boy. I can treat you right. Much better, much better, much better than she can. Much better, much better, much better than she can. See, lay back, windows down, got that boom boom in my system. Turn it up when I need to vent some. See that other chick you been chasing. She cute or whatever, but I could introduce you to someone much better. You know that's me much better. When that bitch make money, decent one to call you up when you're lonely. Or put it on your real good when you want it. Or put it on your real good when you want it. If you want a bad bitch make money, decent one to call you up when you're lonely. Or put it on your real good when you want it. Or put it on your real good when you want it. I can love you right. I'm not the jealous type of boy. I can treat you right. Much better, much better, much better than she can. Much better, much better, much better than she can.
At this point, we are close to being finished, and I'm still curling away from the face at the top of the closure.
I'm not the jealous type of boy. I can't
Off camera, I already put the edge wax over top of the closure, and now I am going over the edge wax with my hot comb. Taking my wide tooth comb, I am now combing out the curls. I know a lot of people like to leave the curls as it is, but for this look, I like to comb it out with a wide tooth comb. And here are the ending results. I hope you guys like this tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up, and there will definitely be more videos like this coming your way very soon.